Today we're going to make baked salmon. It is delicious, nutritious, and great on the keto diet.
So salmon is real good for skin, hair, and nails. So if you find that you're taking biotin, you may just need to add some more salmon or broccoli and walnuts to your diet.
The nutritional facts, as you can see, the total carbohydrates is 0. Total fat, 4.5 grams. Protein, 22 grams. Follow the directions in the pre-vacuum package. You just take the fillets out of the package, put them on a plate or bowl, and set them in the refrigerator to thaw. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Line your pan with aluminum foil to make cleanup much easier.
Since the salmon was frozen, you'll want to dry off the salmon. Just pat it with a towel to dry it off. And then you'll want to make sure that you do spray or put olive oil in the bottom of the pan. You'll drizzle olive oil on top of the fillets before you add your seasoning. And we're going to add 3 different types of seasoning just to give it different flavors.
This is the mesquite seasoning that was put on the salmon. Here are the nutritional facts for the mesquite marinade mix. It has a little smoky flavor to it. Fillets were sprinkled with lemon pepper seasoning according to your taste. Here is the Zatarains Creole seasoning. With the nutritional facts. Once you have the salmon seasoned, if you like lemon, you can place a lemon on each section. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees. And then cook for 11 to 12 minutes.
Here is the finished plate of salmon. It was delicious with fried squash and green beans. The fried squash was fixed in protein powder. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on top of any updated meals and weigh-ins. Thanks for watching the Keto Bistro.